Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, audio controls, premium sound system, heated front seats, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.